Hi guys, this is the Bose Soundlink Bluetooth portable speaker. I'm not going to be doing a full review on this. Just want to play a few songs from an iPod and then play it on the Bose here, just to give you a feel for what it really sounds like. I'm trying to record in the best possible audio quality, so it is on Dolby Digital. So please use, I guess, headphones or earphones to listen to this, okay? So the first one will be Michael Bublé's "Feeling Good." I think the voice really stands out on this. So here's the iPod.
Birds flying high.
As you can see,
You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel.
all right, let's play that one more time with the Soundlink.
Birds flying high. You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel.
Like I'm talking,
Breeze
exactly the same way I was
drifting
talking
on
before,
by.
and probably the music is covering
You
my
know
voice.
how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
So as you can see, the vocal range is amazing. Here is Jason Ratz. I'm yours.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my...
As you can see, that one's good too. And a third one. Uh, yeah, let's do a Rihanna.
Yellow diamonds in the light.
I mean, it's, as you can see,
As a shadow crosses mine.
it's not really full volume. Just a little bit left there. And there you have it. So just to give you a little bit of a comparison, I did try the Jambox, Jawbone Jambox. If you guys have any questions on the comparison, don't waste your money. If you want the best audio quality over a Bluetooth speaker, the Jambox does not even compare to this thing. Okay? Thank you.